Hi, this is Joe from Equipment Zone. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the Equipment Zone EZ floor stand for the Epson SureColor F2000 and F2100 printer. The first step to put the stand together is to locate the rear legs. You could tell they're the rear legs because they're different from the front. They have these threaded holes along the side, and there's two of them, a left and a right. And we're going to locate the rear panel, which you can tell is the rear panel by looking for these two threaded holes. You'll notice they're offset from the center. The shorter distance is the top of the panel. The top of the leg is open-ended. Now be aware when you bolt this to the leg, you want the threaded holes facing away from the panel. We'll do the same on the other side. Again, the top is the open end. The threaded holes are facing away from the panel. Do not tighten the screws all the way. Next step is to locate the bottom panel. This is the bottom panel. You'll notice it has threaded holes along the sides. We'll attach this to the back panel and the back legs. Again, do not tighten the screws fully at this point. The next step is to decide where the door is going to be on the stand. You could put it on the left side or the right side. This is the rear. If you choose to have the door on the right side, then we'll put this panel on first. Again, do not tighten the screws all the way. At this point, we need the front legs, which are identical. There's no left and right. And we will attach this to the bottom plate and the side panel. Now we're going to locate the front panel, which is the same size as the rear panel but has no holes. And we're going to attach that to the front leg. Now we can attach the last leg. Again, make sure the open end is on the top. This is the door. It has the hinge. The hinge will attach to the rear of the stand in the threaded holes in the rear leg. Now that all the screws are in, you need to put the stand on a flat level surface and tighten all the screws. Once we have that finished, we can put the top on the stand. Now we can attach the handle for the door. We can also attach the bottle holder, which hangs off the back panel. Just two screws in. Hang the holder, tighten the screws. Now we need to install the wheels. They thread into these holes on the bottoms of the legs. Two of the wheels have locks, two do not. That's the difference. I always think it's easier to put the two wheels with the locks in front of the stand. The printer stand is complete. On the bottom of the Epson printer, you'll find feet that will fall in place into these corners, and you have a cabinet for storage. Thanks.